Hello students, in this session we will study about the three name reactions. First is Wurtz reaction, second is Fittig reaction and third one is Wurtz-Fittig reaction. All these reactions are from the chapter haloalkanes and haloarenes. Actually all these three reactions have some similarities, that's why I am going to discuss these reactions together. We will discuss them one by one. First is Wurtz reaction. In the Wurtz reaction, two molecules of the alkyl halide react with the sodium metal in presence of the dry ether. Two molecules of alkyl halide react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, and we get alkane as a major product and sodium halide as a side product. Consider an example of methyl bromide. CH3Br react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, then ethane will be formed as a major product. Ethane. So Wurtz reaction is used to form the alkane from the alkyl halides. Two molecules of the alkyl halide react with the sodium metal in presence of dry ether, then we get alkane as the major product. Now come to the second reaction, Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction is used to form the arenes. This reaction is similar to the Wurtz reaction, but in presence of the alkyl halide, we will use here the aryl halides. Aryl halides. Same in presence of sodium metal. Second molecule of the aryl halide in presence of dry ether, we will get arenes. Consider an example, bromobenzene react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, so here product will be the biphenyl. Br, Na and Br will remove from there and they will form major product biphenyl. So basically Fittig reaction is used to form the biphenyl. Wurtz reaction is used to form the alkanes. Now come to the third reaction, Wurtz-Fittig reaction. As the name indicates, it is the combination of the both reaction, Wurtz reaction and Fittig reaction. So one molecule of the alkyl halide and one molecule of the aryl halide react with the sodium metal in presence of the dry ether, and we will get here substituted arenes. Consider an example, Rx with sodium metal in presence of second molecule is of aryl halide, one molecule alkyl halide, one aryl halide in presence of sodium. Same condition, dry ether, they will form product like this. Consider an example, CH3Br, sodium and bromobenzene. They will form toluene as the major product. Br will remove from there sodium and Na, 2NaBr, and this will be the product toluene. So This reaction is used to form the substituted arenes. Wurtz reaction for alkanes, Fittig reaction for arenes. Wurtz-Fittig is the combination of both, so this is used to form the substituted arenes. This is all about the three reactions, Wurtz-Fittig and Wurtz-Fittig. Hope all these reactions will be clear to all. Thank you very much for watching the video.